Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a little collective haul, mainly beauty products, makeup. I have a little bit of skincare, drugstore skincare that I've been enjoying, so I kind of like repurchase things that I haven't ever mentioned before on my channel, so that's exciting. I want to share those goodies with you guys. I also, before I get into it, wanted to ask you about these earrings. I just got them. I love green earrings. My collection of emerald green earrings is getting out of control. I should probably have purchased these in a different color, but I wanted to know your opinion on them. I think they're so pretty and fun, and obviously I'm just wearing like a t-shirt today and they kind of go with it, but I think they'd be even nicer with something a little bit more dressed up. But what do you think? Do you like them? They come in a million colors. I will also link these below if you're interested. If you don't like the green, like I said, there's a million colors. I just think they're really pretty and a really nice quality for not that much money. So I wanted your opinion on that. Also, I wanted to say before I get into the haul that I'm gonna do a Q&A video, like a proper sit-down Q&A, because I know I've seen a lot of questions about just a lot of things really, and I want to answer them for you guys. So if you have questions that you would like me to answer in my next video, well, I don't know if it'll be my next video, but very, very soon, then let me know in the comments below on this video. I think it'd be nice to have all the questions like in one spot, or you could always Snapchat me or tweet me or whatever. I might even post an Instagram asking you for questions. I'm not sure, but I prefer if you have a question that you'd like me to answer in my next Q&A, then leave it on this video so I can just kind of go through and have them all in one spot. Anyway, that's really all I think I wanted to say, so let's get into the haul. I'm gonna start with some of these new Nars products I got. I don't know if they're limited edition. They might be, because I think it's like the spring collection. The thing I got is this Hot Tin Roof liquid blush, which it's so nice. It has a pump and everything. It's so cute. I love this shade because it's kind of like a bronzy terracotta color, which I really love for the cheeks. Lately, I haven't been wanting to wear like pink or corals or anything like that on my cheeks. I've even been using just my regular Becca bronzer as my blush. So the reason I love this shade so much is because by the way, it doesn't look this dark on your face. It blends out really, really nicely. And because it is a liquid, it kind of gives you like a dewy, like, it just kind of looks like your skin, but it's a little bit less bronzy than an actual bronzer. So it looks really nice on the cheeks. And I love it. I love it so much. So check this out. And don't be afraid of liquid blushes. I think, I like to put a little bit on the back of my hand and take a few fingers and just kind of like pat it in, and it really melts into your skin and looks natural. More natural than a powder blush can look. And I just love this color, Hot Tin Roof. So check this one out. I also got this, I haven't tried it yet, but it's the Velvet Matte Foundation Stick from Nars. I used to use their Matte Velvet Plus liquid foundation for so long, and when I saw they had this stick, I thought that might be really, really nice for traveling because you don't have to worry about it like breaking or spilling or anything like that. So it's like two-sided. One is the foundation. I got the shade Mont Blanc. I hope I said that right. And the other side is just, I guess you can put rub the foundation in with this side. I haven't heard anyone talk about this foundation, so I have no idea really what to expect, but I know Nars makes some of the best foundations out there, really. And it's the Velvet Matte Foundation Stick. So I'm thinking it might be very similar to the liquid version, but we'll see. But I'm really excited to try this. I don't know. I took it out of the box because I got this like a couple days ago, and I shouldn't have, because I don't know the actual name of this. The shade is called Summer Fire. But it's basically like a lip gloss lipstick, and it's just the most perfect rosy nude color. It's the kind of lip color that I love to wear. Like, you can put it on every single day and it looks good with anything you have on your eyes. It's just very, very natural, and it's not drying, and I really, really like this. So check this out. There's a bunch of really pretty colors, but I'm happy with Summer Fire. Urban Decay products. The Urban Decay Troublemaker Super Fat, Super Long Sex Proof Mascara. Stir up trouble with 13.7 times the lash volume. I always think mascara claims are so ridiculous, but the packaging on this is kind of amazing. It's like, I don't know, duochrome plastic type of mascara, and I love Urban Decay mascaras, so I'm really excited to try this. It has a very nice wand. Oh, I'm so excited. If you've tried this, let me know. Please let me know what you think, but I'm super excited to try this. Whenever I get new mascaras, I think mascaras and concealers, I'm like so excited to do my makeup the next morning because I just feel like can kind of get like instant gratification with both of those products. I also picked up one of my Dr. Jart BB creams, beauty balms. I talked about this in my favorites video that I uploaded last week, so if you haven't seen it, I will link it below. But I picked up a new one because there's still some in that one, but I'm running low. Like sometimes when I squirt it on my face, nothing comes out, so I know it's getting there. So I wanted to get another one, and I don't know if I think I mentioned in that video, but I'm just in the light shade. What is it called? Is there a name on this? Light Medium 01. So I got this. I love it so much. It's a Korean brand. I love their skincare. I love this BB cream. It just is so, it's what I'm wearing on my face today. I love it. I love this Dr. Jart brand so much. I love, this is what the packaging looks like. It's like a hard shell. I just love this BB cream. But I know the only bad thing I think about this is that there's not really a shade range. I think there's like literally light medium and maybe medium dark. I think there might be 2 shades, which isn't that helpful for, there's a lot of you guys watching and you want to try it. I don't know. I'm pretty fair and this works perfectly on me. My face is never darker than my neck. So if you're fair, like maybe a MAC NC 15 or 20, if that even helps at all, or NW 1520, this one should work for you. But if you're a very dark complexion, I don't know if the dark one would work, honestly. So I got that. Then I also wanted to get a CC cream, my It Cosmetics CC cream, just because I will probably switch these out. The It Cosmetics one is a little bit more full coverage. I mean, the Dr. Jart one is too, but just not as full coverage as the It Cosmetics. Now the It Cosmetics has a much larger range, and the tube is actually like a squeezy tube. If you've never tried it, I mean, I've demoed this out a million times in makeup tutorials. I've talked about it for years. It's so good. And they both have natural SPF. This one has 50, this one has 45. Natural SPF, not the chemicals. So it's a huge plus for me and a huge, just a good thing in a face product. So I love them both. If this one you don't think would match you because there's like 2 shades, try out the It Cosmetics. I'm sure you guys have already heard me talk about it like a million times, but I got these just like stocking up for spring and summer coming up. So I'll be probably good to go for a while. Plus I have that new Nars one that I want to try out. So I think I'm good on like the foundation makeup, the makeup category for quite a while, but these are so good. So I got the new Urban Decay Daydream eyeshadow palette. It's a collaboration with Kristen Leanne, which I didn't know who she was until this collaboration, and is that bad? I hope not, but I think the collaboration is beautiful, and if I could get this eyeshadow palette open, it is a dream. It's like a cardboard packaging with like it almost looks like frosting. Is that supposed to be frosting? But the colors are so nice. They're all matte. They're very warm. They're very wearable. I feel like this could be, you know, something I would get a ton of use out of. I have more like shimmery cheeks and bronzy and stuff going on, like for the spring and summer. I like to have more of a matte eye, so you look more natural, like you're not wearing shimmery eyes, shimmery skin. It's just too much. So when your eyes can be nice and matte and natural, and then you can put like a nice glow on your cheeks, I just think it just looks nicer. So I think this is like the perfect eyeshadow palette. I just love this orange as a transition shade, and I don't know, I just think it has every color that you really need, and it's really cute and small for your purse. Or does anyone actually put eyeshadow in their purse? I don't know why I said that. But I just think this is so pretty. I'm excited to try it out. Also saw the Urban Decay Distortion palette, and it was really beautiful. So I had to get it. I think there's only one color in here I most likely would not wear. For a pretty large eyeshadow palette, I think is pretty good. It has a huge mirror. It opens all the way, which I love that. So I love the packaging, and the colors are beautiful. I honestly think the only color I probably would never try would be the pink one. I just don't like pink eyeshadows on me personally, but everything else looks so beautiful. The First Defense and Territorial colors look insane. The Hot Box, I love emerald, like smoky green eyeshadows. I'm just excited to try these. Urban Decay makes, I think, the best eyeshadow out of any brand, so really excited about that. I saw this and I thought this is totally up my alley. It's for your nails. It's called Caffeine Hit by Nails Inc. It's the exfoliating coffee scrub for your hands, and you can also use it on your feet. A natural coffee scrub with immediate results, it says. So cleanse, buff, and rejuvenate tired hands and feet, made from natural coffee grounds. It works to lift away your dead skin cells, instantly radiant, refreshed skin. So I just thought that was very interesting. I love the smell of coffee. I haven't even smelled it. Oh yeah. It smells like coffee. It smells really good. So I love a good hand scrub or foot scrub, or I would even put this all over my body in the shower, why not? Okay, so I have been using these. This is not new, obviously they're like almost gone, but I've been using the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Makeup Removing Towelettes, and I really, really love these ones. Like they're almost gone, as you can tell. So I decided to try the waterproof version for waterproof makeup, because sometimes the pink ones leave a little bit of mascara. So I got a new packet of these. These are so nice and gentle on your skin. I haven't broken out at all. My skin is so sensitive and these work amazing. So amazingly, is that a word? So I'm so excited to have these, to try the waterproof version. While I was buying them, I saw that they also had a cleanser. I've never used Garnier cleansers. I've only used those wipes. I'm sure it's pretty similar, but you guys know I love my Neutrogena cleanser. So I'm kind of like stepping away from my favorite cleanser of all time, but I thought I would try this. It's the Micellar Foaming Cleanser, all-in-one rinse off for face, eyes, lips, sensitive skin, no alcohol or fragrance, blah, blah, blah. So I'm gonna try that. Then I also saw the Micellar Cleansing Water, which I have never used a cleansing water ever in my entire life. And I know that everyone always talks about micellar waters by like a million brands, but I figured I'll just try it. I'll be very makeup free with all of these new products, but yeah, so these are brand new. I'm gonna try them, see how I like them. The wipes are amazing, amazing. They're so gentle on your skin and they remove your makeup so nicely. So check these ones out for sure, and then I'll let you know, like in a future video, how well I like these. I'm gonna do an updated kind of like everyday makeup routine, maybe like winter makeup routine, just with a lot of the new products that I've been using that I've never really demoed out on my channel before. So that will be coming soon, so you can see how I've been doing my makeup with all these new products since I've been using them. So I think that's everything I wanted to mention and show you guys today. So everything I showed you will be listed and linked below, along with my earrings if you want to check these out. I'm tempted to get more colors because the color selection is beautiful and they're pretty affordable for like a really nice quality earring like this. Don't forget to let me know if you have any questions that you'd like me to answer for my Q&A. Please leave them in the comment section of this video and I will write them all down and go through them and answer them in one of my next videos. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching and subscribing, and I will see you guys on Thursday. Bye.